Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In object-oriented concepts, we are done with our inheritance, and in polymorphism, we are done with our method overloading and method overriding. And getting into the next concept of polymorphism, we are on operator overloading. We know that overloading is nothing but having the same thing with different properties, right? We have already worked on method overloading. Okay, operator overloading is also a similar concept but a bit confusing. Don't worry, just follow through the video, you'll get to know about it. Okay, so firstly, without directly getting into operator overloading, let us first see how actually operators work in Python. Okay, so let us get into PyCharm and start seeing the working of operators. Okay, I'm on my PyCharm now. Firstly, I want to print 2 plus 3. Here we are using a plus operator. Sorry, I have used cap lock. Print 2 plus 3, right? Now I'll run this program. You know what we are going to get? We are going to get 5, right? Yeah. But what's actually happening is, firstly, the Python interpreter checks the data type of the objects we passed. We have passed 2 and 3, which are type of integers, we know that. And firstly, let us see print. The Python checks the data type int, and then it takes the method add for the plus operator, and sub for minus operator, mul for star operator, and div for division operator. Okay, and we have different kinds of methods for different kinds of operators. And here, as we are using the plus operator, it takes the add method and takes 2 parameters or more than 2 parameters for as the operands we pass. Okay, 2 and 3 are the operands which we have passed for the plus operator. This is what actually going on behind your Python console. Okay, yeah, 2 times we got 5 and 5. These two are the same things, but to write print 2 plus 3 is simple, right? And all these things are taken care by your Python interpreter. So this is how operators work. Actually, we have inbuilt methods for working of operators. These inbuilt methods are called magic methods. Nice name, right? Okay, let us get into concept of operator overloading. Here we are adding two variables, 2 and 3, which are of type integers. But do you think can we add 2 objects? I think no, but let us see that. Okay, I'm creating a class A, and I'm having a method, init method. I'm having 2 parameters for my init method. Let us say parameter 1, P1, parameter 2, P2. Okay. Now, I'm declaring this parameter self.P1 is equals to P1 and self.P2 is equals to P2. Right? We are done with declaration of our parameters. Now, I want to create 2 objects. Object 1 is equals to of class A, right? We want 2 parameters here, P1 and P2. Let us say 2 and 3. And object 2 again of class A, and let's say 2 parameters 8 and 9. Now I want to add these 2 objects, object 1 plus object 2. Let's say object 3 is equals to object 1 plus object 2. Right? Now let us run our program again. This time we got an error, type error, unsupported operand type for plus A and A, which is of class A and class A, right? So here we are not able to add 2 objects, but we can overload our add method and make these 2 objects to be added. Okay, so I am creating the add method. I'm not creating it, actually I'm overloading it. Okay, self.other, it has given the other parameter inbuilt, but You can use any name of your choice in the place of other, okay? Now I want to add return, let's say return self.p1 plus other.p1. Here self is the first object, and other is the second object, okay? And also I want self.p2 plus other.p2. Okay, now let us run our program. Sorry, I haven't printed my object, right? Print object 3. Yeah, this time we got a tuple consisting of 2 plus 8 and 3 plus 9, 10, 12. Okay, as we have asked our add method to have self.p1 plus other.p1 and self.p2 plus other.p2. Okay, so in this way you can overload your operators. You can overload your subtract method, sub method, mul method, div method, and according to your choice and your usage, which project you are working on, you can overload your operators as you wish. Okay, so now let us see. We have overloaded add method, but can we overload our comparison operators? Yeah, we have methods for that too. Let us overload our greater than operator now. We have a method called GT. Now let us remove this, and I want if self dot p1 greater than other dot p1, return self dot p1. Okay, else return other dot p1. Done, right? Now here let us use object 1 greater than object 2 or not. Yeah, this time we got 8. Print object 3, where 8 is the greater first parameter, right? So in this way you can overload your operators, your normal operators or your comparison operators. So this is very similar to method overloading. Do not get confused. Work on it. And also I want you people to practice your overloading concept, the operator overloading concept for different operators. Like we don't have only add and greater than methods, right? We have different methods, the less than, and also subtract, for multiplication operator, division operator. We have different operators. So try it for them, and if you have any doubts, reach me out in the comment section. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe my channel for more Python videos on Python programs and also Python learning videos. So thank you. Bye bye.